Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal WooCommerce. First, ensure your WooCommerce store is fully operational. Next, you'll need an active PayPal business account. Either create a new one or log into your existing account. Once those prerequisites are met, navigate to your WooCommerce settings. From there, we'll begin the straightforward process of integrating PayPal as a payment gateway for your online store, making it easy for customers to pay. Now let's configure the PayPal Standard Gateway. Within your WooCommerce settings, enable PayPal Standard. It's crucial to accurately enter your PayPal email address, as this is where your payments will be sent. You'll also choose your payment action, either capture to immediately process funds or authorize to hold them for later capture. Don't forget to set up Instant Payment Notification, or IPN, for seamless order status updates. Moving on to advanced settings and crucial testing. You can customize the title and description customers see at checkout, making it clear they are using PayPal. For troubleshooting, enable debug logging, which can be very helpful. Before going live, conduct thorough test transactions using PayPal Sandbox. This allows you to simulate purchases without real money, ensuring everything works perfectly and orders are correctly recorded in WooCommerce. Finally, it's time to go live and implement best practices. Remember to disable sandbox mode once your testing is complete, so you can accept actual payments. Regularly monitor both your PayPal and WooCommerce transaction logs to catch any discrepancies. Always ensure your store has an active SSL certificate for secure transactions. Providing clear, concise instructions at checkout will also enhance your customer's experience, leading to more successful sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.